Wake up, it's your boy Drizzy Dre back with another banger. What's the word, y'all? Today I'll be showing y'all how much money I'll be making from Facebook. So I'm monetized on Facebook and YouTube. Shout out to the gang. I love it. You see this right here is sort of out of wax. When I hit 100K, I thought it was on. But first, you guys got to go in your settings and change your profile to professional if you want to be in the program. Now, what this is going to do is once you change your thing to profile and start making reels, if you haven't already, they're going to invite you to the program. So just be yourself and post, okay? Like I said, you get paid for your contacts. You got to go to your profile and all the way you see right here, it say turn off professional mode because I have it turned on. That's why, guys. So my settings are a little different from yours. That's why it's kind of hard for me to tell y'all exactly where it's at since I'm already in the program. But trust me, Google it. As you see, when I hit that, I thought it was crazy. 238,000 views. But I'm finna get to the money next, you know. Like I said, man, YouTube and Facebook are dope for this. But it seemed like I haven't went viral on YouTube yet. I went viral on Facebook like twice. That's why the money. You see that? That's the first time I had looked. I had made $86. I was like, whoa, okay. I love it. You see that? That was then, y'all. All these are like from like a week or two old. I'm just now deciding to put it out there because this is a dope opportunity, and why not share it with the people? You know what I'm saying? So this was the first times I was getting paid $8, $2, and $37. But oh no, that $100 right there keep going up. It's gonna keep going up. I just want to thank all y'all, everybody, man, that be watching my videos and stuff. You know the vibes. Right there, though. Now, one day I woke up and I had $150. I say, ain't no way. But it get better than that, y'all. That's what I'm saying, man. You got to just stay focused, stay at it. If you're a content creator, you love what you do, then Facebook Reels is going to be for you, too. My reach, man. Look at that. So y'all saw I went from 200 and some to 411 with 89,000 engagements. But it get better than that. That's what I'm saying, man. Look, I love this. I love y'all. Y'all make me turn up all the way. Look at that, 102 to now 160. Like I said, then was the past. I already got paid for those. They already paid me them. So now I'm waiting on this one. I get paid with this on December 22nd. That's the payout for Facebook. So right here, boom, 402,000 plays, $160. So this, I'm just letting y'all know, man, the money is easy to make. You can definitely go viral. My thing is, it don't have to be your clips, and that's where I'm learning it at now. 521,000, man. Golly. So as y'all can see, I was posting these and recording these. I was just like, ain't no way. Y'all really rock with me like that? Y'all really rock with me like that. So that's what I'm saying. Look, if you haven't, man, go ahead, go to your settings and turn on professional mode and get to it. That's the last where it's at now. I'm at 229 currently, and it ends December 22nd. I'm sure I can probably get to the $350 mark. That's what I'm going to try to do. But as y'all can see, what you waiting for? What y'all waiting for? Go right now. Yes. Half a milli, man, half a milli. And I swear, I just can't wait till I get YouTube like this. None of my videos went viral yet. And actually, I'm sitting on $1.92 off Facebook right now, y'all. That's a total engagement for 28 days. That is crazy, unbelievable. So, man, I hope I encourage anybody to try to want to do the Facebook Reels program. If so, man, just drop a comment below. Let me know how y'all feeling about this, man. It's your boy, Drizzy Dre. I'm gone.